We are offering you Qualcert Level 2 Diploma in Mechanical Technology. This essential course is designed to provide you with a solid foundation in mechanical technology, preparing you for a successful career in the field. Mechanical technology plays a crucial role in modern industry, driving innovation and efficiency across various sectors. Our Level 2 Diploma will equip you with the skills and knowledge needed to excel in mechanical systems and applications. By completing the Level 2 Diploma in Mechanical Technology, you will be well prepared to advance your career in mechanical engineering or related fields, with a strong foundation in technical skills and industry practices. Mandatory units of this qualification are Advanced Mechanical Principles, Advanced Machine Tools and Operations, Advanced Materials and Manufacturing, Engineering Design and Analysis, Project Management and Collaboration, Specialized Electives. This course is ideal for Level 1 Diploma graduates, engineering enthusiasts and career changers, technicians and entry-level professionals, academic advancers, innovators and problem solvers. What is the duration of this course? The Qualcert Level 2 Diploma in Mechanical Technology typically takes 6 to 12 months to complete. All Qualcert certifications and awards are offering through its approved training centers. For registration, please consult your nearest Qualcert approved center. Visit our website at www.qualcerts.co.uk for more qualifications and information.